If you want just a nice deep tone, you want to be able to hear this truck. That's what you go with. All right, guys, we got you a 2021 Ram 1500 E-Torque 5.7 liter Hemi. Hemi, baby. As you guys can see right there, he saw our YouTube videos. He said, I'm coming to you guys. I said, you're more than welcome. So he emailed us and he brought it over. There's the factory converters there. There, it's got less than 300 miles on it. As you guys can see from the steel, it's still clean as can be. Look at that, it's still shiny. I love shiny cars. Anyways, there's the Flowmaster 40 series we did on it. We cut the original muffler off. He saw our comparison video between the 40 and 44, and he said, I wanted the 40 series. So that's what we put on for him, Flowmaster 40. Part number will be in the description, and there'll be a link in the description for it also. And you also have to add a little piece of pipe to it to make it fit. Then it wides out, then duals out the back. We left the factory resonators on it. They didn't want it too loud. And the factory tips, because they're still practically brand new. They're in there. Later on, he'll probably bring it back, and we'll cut those off and put them some 5-inch. There's the muffler we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Is that exactly what you wanted? All right. That's a nice deep rumble. You see how it lags? It takes that lag out. That sounds really nice. Again? There's sound decibels? Right at 94. If you want just a nice deep tone, you want to be able to hear this truck. That's what you go with. Ram 1500 Rebel. E-Torque. What you guys hear on the inside? Breaks in a little bit more, gets a little bit louder after like 30 days, guys.